Hi dear children, good morning. Today we have to study about symmetrical figures. Okay, what is symmetrical figures? Okay, our topic was symmetry. S-Y-M-M-E-T-R-Y. Okay, what is the spelling? S-Y-M-M-M-E-T-R-Y. Okay, symmetry. What is meant by symmetry? Yes. A shape or object is said to be symmetry. It can be divided into two identical pieces. Okay, one example. Now I take one rectangular bar that divided into two identical pieces. That is here using one dotted line. Okay. Two identical pieces means what? That divide equally. Okay. So I draw middle of this. I draw a dotted line. Okay. Then another one picture. Okay. Here also I draw dotted line. As our alphabet A, I draw one dotted line. Okay. Then one circle, I draw one dotted line. Okay. Here all these pictures divided into two equal halves. Okay. Here left side and right side are equal. Okay. These all figures left, right, all these are equal. That is here what forms mirror image. That mirror images are equal. Okay. Okay. Symmetry. Clear? Yes. A shape or any object has symmetry if it has what? Yes, if it can be divided into two identical pieces. ഒരേ പോലത്തെ two pieces ആയിട്ട് divide ചെയ്യുക using with the dotted line or folding. Okay, fold ചെയ്ത് നമുക്ക് എന്ത് ചെയ്യാം? Two identical pieces make ചെയ്യാം. Okay, here which shape is a square. This square fold two folded. Okay. Now here form two identical pieces. Okay. One piece, second piece. First piece, second piece. Okay. Here this folding. Okay. This folding line. Okay. This is called what? Symmetrical line. Okay. Lines of symmetry. Okay. That is here. This dotted line is called lines of symmetry. Okay. Here this left and right side here equal. That means here forms equal halves. രണ്ട് equal തുല്യ പകുതികൾ ഹാഫുകളായിട്ടാണ് എന്തെങ്കിലും ഡിവൈഡ് ചെയ്യുന്നത്. Okay. So these pictures are what? These shapes are or these pictures are what? Symmetrical figures. Okay. Here this is symmetrical figure. This is another one symmetrical figure. Another one. This also circle. Another one symmetrical. How can draw another symmetrical of circle? Okay. Then the circle divided into like this. Okay. Okay. This also. All these circles are what? Symmetry. Okay. Here. In rectangle, here using this dotted line. Now here what? Here bottom top side and bottom side divided equally. Okay, here left and right side divide equally. Here left and right divide equally. Here left and right divide equally. Here capital A. Okay, here divide like this. Here left and right divide equally. Okay. Here this capital A divide like this. This is not equal. Okay. Here bottom side and top side here not equal. So this figure is not symmetric. Okay. Then here this picture also. Here folding like this. Okay. Then here makes one symmetry. Okay. Then folding like this here make no symmetry. Okay, clear? Okay. Then this figure this shape folded like this. Here top and bottom pieces makes what? Symmetrical shapes. Okay, clear? What is mean by symmetry? Okay, here what? As figures, as folding that time two identical pieces here form. Okay, രണ്ട് identical pieces, ഒരേ പോലത്തെ pieces. Okay, just as mirror image. Okay, നമ്മുടെ mirror image എങ്ങനെയാണ് അതുപോലെ ഇപ്പോൾ നമ്മൾ മിററിന്റെ മുന്നിൽ നിൽക്കുമ്പോൾ നമ്മുടെ സെയിം ഇമേജ് ആണ് അവിടെ ഫോം. ദാറ്റ് ഈസ് ഐഡന്റിക്കൽ ഇമേജ്. ഓക്കെ, ദാറ്റ് ഈസ് സിമെട്രിക്കൽ പിക്ചർ. സിമെട്രിക്കൽ. ഓക്കെ, ക്ലിയർ? യെസ്. ഫസ്റ്റ് റൈറ്റ് heading symmetry, then draw these symmetrical figures. Draw these here. All these are symmetrical figures. Here these dotted lines divides these figures into two identical halves. So all these are what? Symmetrical figures. Okay, now we have to write one question. Pick the symmetrical shapes. Pick the symmetrical shapes. Symmetrical shapes. Question number A. One triangular shape divided into two pieces. Okay. Question number B. Our English alphabet N divide two pieces. Then question number C. Our English alphabet C. Take the symmetrical figures. Not here, all these are not shapes. Okay, so right, take the symmetrical figures. Okay, first question, one triangle. Then next English alphabets N and C. The next question, one shape divided into two equal halves. Okay, here in these pictures we have to identify which pictures are symmetrical figures. Which are symmetrical figures? Now first question, one triangle divided into two equal parts. Here folding this triangle, here these two pieces are equal. So this is what? Symmetrical figure. Okay, then next one capital N. Here folding this is not same. Okay, here what? Folding like this. Here symmetric line comes here. Okay, so folding like this. Ivudana bottom side in the top ilotana fold cheyanda. Okay, that time here not makes symmetry. Okay, then next here as these are symmetrical. Then last one, here this shape is here this side and this side same. So this picture also symmetrical figures. Okay, if you clear how to identify symmetrical figures. Okay, then നമ്മൾ ഒരു കണ്ണാടിയുടെ മുന്നിൽ മിറർ ഇമേജ് കാണുന്നത് എങ്ങനെയാണോ, കണ്ണാടിയുടെ മുന്നിൽ നിൽക്കുമ്പോൾ നമ്മുടെ ലെഫ്റ്റ് സൈഡ് ലെഫ്റ്റ് ആ സൈഡിലായിട്ടും റൈറ്റ് സൈഡിൽ തന്നെ വരുന്നു. ഓക്കെ, അതായത് ഈ പൊസിഷൻ തന്നെയാണ് ഇതിന്റെ ഈ ഫസ്റ്റ് ഈ ഡോട്ടർ ലൈനിന്റെ ഫസ്റ്റില് വരുന്നത്. ഓക്കെ, സോ ദീസ് ത്രീ ആർ symmetrical figures and the question number B not symmetric. Okay, clear? Yes. Draw and write. Yes. Next question. Draw other half of the figure A. A, B, C, D, E, F. Draw other half of the figures. Okay. So we have to draw other half of each figures. Other half means next part identical piece. Okay. Here one object is divided into two equal parts. Here we have to draw that identical shape, identical piece. Okay. So ഈ ഫിഗറിനെ 2 ആയിട്ട് ഡിവൈഡ് ചെയ്യുന്ന ഒരു പാർട്ടാണ് ഈ തന്നിരിക്കുന്നത്. ഓക്കെ, ഓരോന്നും. ഓക്കെ, വി ഹാവ് ടു ഡ്രോ പാർട്ട് നെക്സ്റ്റ് പാർട്ട്, നെക്സ്റ്റ് ഐഡന്റിക്കൽ പീസ്, ഒരേപോലത്തെ നെക്സ്റ്റ് പാർട്ടാണ് ചെയ്യേണ്ടത്. ഓക്കെ, സോ ഫസ്റ്റ് വി ഹാവ് ടു ഡ്രോ ഹിയർ ലൈക്ക് ദിസ്. ഇവിടെ ഉള്ളത് അതുപോലെ ഈ ഇമേജ് അതുപോലെ വരയ്ക്കുക. ഓക്കെ, ദെൻ നെക്സ്റ്റ് പാർട്ട് draw like this. Okay, now make that full image. Okay, for drawing time we have to check our left portion and right portion same, that means equal, that is identical. Okay, രണ്ടും കാണാൻ ഒരുപോലെ തന്നെ ഉണ്ടാവണം. Okay, it is just a mirror image. Okay, look like a same, നമ്മൾ നോക്കുമ്പോൾ ഒരേപോലെ തന്നെ ഉണ്ടായിരിക്കണം. Okay, the next question. Here given one part is like this. Here we have to draw here that mirror image. Okay, so here ഇങ്ങനെയല്ലേ ഇവിടെ വന്നിരിക്കുന്നത്. So here also start like this. Okay, then complete that. Okay, now we get that here this is some big size, so okay, this is next part, next identical, that is identical piece of this. Okay, next. Okay, here given one shape. Okay, that shape, not one figure. Okay, that also is draw like this first. Okay, then what? Then okay, then okay, now join. Okay, here this side and this side equal. Okay, that means you have to sure that these two pieces are identical. Okay, so these are what? Symmetrical. Draw other half of the identical, other half of the figures. Okay, so next they're starting like this. Okay, then other one. Okay, so draw like this, then this supporting figure also. Okay, clear? Then next one English alphabet. Okay, so first this. Okay, so draw this, then okay, two identical figures. The next first one is this. Okay, so here line is comes like this. Okay, here bottom side and top sides are identical pieces. Okay, so here comes what? Same piece. Okay, that is English alphabet B. Okay, all of you clear? How can you draw identical pieces in our given figures? Okay, clear? Yes. Draw question, write question, draw other half of the figures, then draw all these in your notebook very neatly. Okay, let's draw. Is clear? Okay, here two types dotted lines comes. Okay, one what? Vertical line, another one what? Is horizontal line. Okay, here horizontal line comes, that times here comes what? One identical sides from where comes where? Bottom and top side. Okay, bottom and top side. Okay, Then vertical dotted line comes, that time that identical pieces comes left and right, left and right. Okay, clear? Yes. Then I give some homework questions in your textbook, page number 143, page number 143, exercise 8D, exercise 8D, question number 2 and 3. Okay, that do in your textbook. Okay, that answers do in your textbook. Okay, then another one question also in our page number 144, page number 144, that fourth question also homework. Okay, page number 144, fourth question. Here given, draw dotted lines to divide the figures into two similar halves. Okay, dotted lines use ചെയ്ത് തന്നിരിക്കുന്ന ഫിഗേഴ്സിനെ സിമിലർ ഹാഫ്സ് ആയിട്ട് ഡിവൈഡ് ചെയ്യാനാണ് പറഞ്ഞിരിക്കുന്നത്. Okay, one question now doing here. Okay, in that section, question number B. Okay, question number B. One figure is given like this. Okay, one figure is given like this. That figure divided into two identical pieces. How can divide the figures into two similar halves? Similar ഒരേ പോലെയുള്ള ഹാഫുകളാക്കാൻ. Okay, here divide it like this. It is not possible to make two identical halves. Okay, then divide like this. This is also not possible. So here divide like this. ഇവിടെ ഇങ്ങനെയാണ് divide ചെയ്യുന്നത്. Okay, now these two parts make what? These two parts are identical, same. Okay, clear? This is the question B in our page number 144, question number 4. Okay, other all questions are very simple questions. Okay, okay, ഇപ്പോൾ ഈ ഒരു പിക്ചർ നമ്മൾ ഇവിടെ നിന്ന് ഈ ഡോട്ടഡ് ലൈൻ യൂസ് ചെയ്താൽ മാത്രമേ എന്ത് ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റുള്ളൂ, ടു ഐഡന്റിക്കൽ ഫിഗേഴ്സ് ആയിട്ട് നമുക്ക് എന്ത് സെപ്പറേറ്റ് ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റത്തുള്ളൂ. ഓക്കെ, ക്ലിയർ? ഓക്കെ, യു ഷുഡ് ഡു ഓൾ ദീസ് ഹോംവർക്സ് ഇൻ യുവർ ടെക്സ്റ്റ് ബുക്ക്. ഓക്കെ, ക്ലിയർ ഓൾ? ഓക്കെ, yes. Now I wind up the class. We will meet again in the next class. Okay, thank you all.